Yeah, here we have our toilet. Need to paint, or I could make new wallpaper, but I will just paint over the wallpaper, I would say. And especially the floor, I want to change. No carpet in the toilet. It's for me a no-go. So first move the little rack out, and then we remove the floor and make just maybe a fake wood one. That's fine. Beautiful view of the carpet in the toilet. But luckily it's not fixed. I can remove it easily. Nice things. Good. First cleaning, yeah. Oh. That's why you shouldn't put carpet in your toilet. First cleaning, then we can put the new one in. The new carpet. No, not new carpet, new floor. It's getting clean. So for installing the new floor, I transferred the old carpet and now I cut it, and hopefully it's matching. If not, then I can buy a new one. Not too bad. I need to cut a little bit more off, as you can see, but it looks quite nice, neat. And it's done. Sealed with silicone at the edges, so it's easy to clean, and it looks quite neat, I would say. For me, totally okay, fine. Floor, toilet done.